I'm Puskar and today I'm creating this video in order to complete the CSY2094. In this project, we were basically given a pool of projects and we're told to choose from it, and we were told to make a Java GUI based application which could do crude operations and which used the concepts of OOP. Today I have made the app which is called a Java app called So for us. So this is basically a toned down version of Tinpatti. In Tinpatti, basically you get to bet and do all the things, but you can here all the betting part is gone and only the in-game part is left. Here you basically just show the cards. So let's start. Let's start by running the project first. So first by running we get this page. This is our falas. This is our login page. In this page you can log in by entering your username. For example, let's say I'll put my name. Let's say my name is Puskar. I put my name here and you can see welcome back Puskar. Puskar has already played 272 games and has won 66 games. And here you can see here are the options that we can do. For the first option is play versus AI. Let's do this. So basically in this what you do is you play with with AI, and AI is like just randomly generated names which you play against in this game. So here for let's say we'll put including me we will put like 4 players and we'll start the game. So if we start the game you can see let's deal. Let's do the deal. You can see here is the option for revealing the cards. This is added in order to build suspense. Let's say I build the card. You can see the game is won by Bikas, and you can see Bikas is highlighted along with the reason he won. For example, here Bikas has won, he is highlighted and he has got pair, while other 3 players have got high card. And in this game, the hierarchy is pair is greater than high card, so Bikas has won. And here is another feature that is fast mode. In this, if you turn on this check mark, then what you do is you just get rid of the uh, show card option and you just automatically see what is the result. This saves you time and but this kills the suspense. So let's try this. For example, let's say I click on deal. You can see it is yeah, winner is Kavita with a high card, and the message pop up was shown here, and you can see the suspense is gone. I can play infinite number of times by clicking here. This and the another option that we have got in AI play is add AI player. See, there were 4 players, but now I can add 5 players and I can deal and play. Here Sanjita has won because she has got color, as color is greater than the pair in this game. So now let's get back to the menu, and when you get back to the menu you again have to log in. For example, let's say now I'll log in with another ID that is Goku, or let's just create a new ID called let's say Ram. We'll create a new ID called Ram. You can see new profile created of Ram, and all of this data is stored in two files called history.csv and profiles.csv. For in profiles you can see here are all the profile that is created, and this is win or lose ratio, and here is history.csv. This basically stores every data. For example, the time where you played, who you played against, and who won the game. So this basically keeps track of every game that is being played. So now let's get back to the UI. So here you can see if I continue as Ram, and now I will now we already checked the AI play. Now let's say I want to play with my friends who are in a room, and we want to play a fun little interesting game. Then what I can do is local play, and I can add the number of friends. For example, let's say Ram wants to play with Puskar. and Poku and Poku. And then if it starts the game, you can see there are three players over here, and I can deal, I can reveal the hands, and here in this game, both of them have won, as you can see, because both of them have won because both of them have got the same high card, same high card, and all the pair of three cards are same. Here in this game the suit does not uh, change the card hierarchy, so it is based only on numbers, so both of them have won, and you can see both are highlighted as they both have won. So now let's check another feature by, and you can also see that here is no option for adding AI player, because while you play locally, you usually don't want an AI player to intervene, so you only put your friends. And in this game, only six players are able to play at a time. So that is one of the features. Now let's get back here, and again let's log in with Ram. For example, let's say, see, Ram has played one game and he has won a game because as it was a tie, both of the players have got the win. You can see in for example, let's see in history, you can see that here Ram and Puskar both are winners because both had the same high card. So this is it. And now the last option, the another option that I have got is view stats and history. You can see the history of player in a UI by filtering. For example, I have logged in as Ram, but Ram has played one game and won one game, and his win rate is 100%, and his winning hand breakdown is he has won with high card one times. So let's check the stat of other players, or let's see the history. For example, let's say what game Ram has played till date. So Ram has only played one game, which was a tie between Ram and Puskar. We just did that, and you can see the data is stored here, and data is stored in a streamlined way in CSV files. So you can also filter by using date. You can check history, and another function that we have added is Ram. Let's log in as Ram again, and if we delete his profile, you can see there is a pop-up to delete the profile. And if I delete his profile, see, the profile is deleted. Now when I log in again as Ram, a new profile will be created, and all the history of Ram will be deleted. For example, let's log in as Puskar, Puskar, and see if the history of Ram was saved or not. So you can see, let's say RAM. So sorry, I was wrong. So the history will be saved, but the player will be gone. For example, let's say, see, I had just deleted the player. So let's check in profiles. While checking previously, we had RAM here in profiles, but right now you can see uh, RAM is gone from here. And when I create uh, new profile as RAM, then a fresh new profile will be created. For example, you can see new profile is created for Ram. No stat is shown here. But if I had logged in with, like, let's say a old profile. For example, let's log in with Poku. You can see that here is the games that Poku had played and the games she have won. So this was one of the features that we had added. By deleting the profile, um, you can reuse the name if the profile is deleted again. So this was it for the project. Thank you for listening, and thank you.